Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. If you guys have a Chevy, Chevy or General Motors vehicle guys, and you have the 6T40 or 6T30 transmission guys, it will be a very helpful video to you guys. What we'll do, we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace the gasket, the transmission oil pan gasket on that transmission if you're leaking transmission fluid. That same transmission is used on Chevy Cruze, Chevy Verano, Chevy Sonic, Malibu, Equinox, GMC as well. Check out the list below guys, we will include all the vehicles that it's been used on. What we're going to do now guys, this is your transmission oil pan. What we'll do, we're going to take the front end off. Why we do that? So we can stick the camera and show you every little detail guys, and to show you how to do that. We're going to take our own car apart for that, and we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop guys, so please subscribe. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So next guys, we're going to drain the fluid out, and once we drain the fluid, we'll be ready to continue. So this is guys the oil that we got in the bucket. Now you can see it's terrible. You can see how dirty it is, even though the car has only like 37,000 miles. So that's why it's a good thing to change it as soon as you can. The manual says 45,000 miles from what I read online. I haven't confirmed that, but I'll definitely probably go with a 40,000 mile transmission fluid change. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and we'll remove that thing for the transmission lines to lift it up a little bit, that holder there. Okay, perfect. It will come off, later we can pull it. It will be a little bit more convenient if we pull it towards the back. Or just take it off. Let's see if it's going to come off, and later we can install it. Alright guys, now we're going to need I need to remove that clip there. You can see for the cable, and you need to make sure that your car battery is disconnected before you start working on your transmission. First thing guys, we need to disconnect the car battery, so do that. Now let us show you guys. We're going to remove that clip. That clip we'll leave it for later. What we'll attempt to do now, to remove that bolt here, and see if we can move the cables a little bit up, if we're going to gain a little bit of room. We will. What we need to do though, we need to disconnect the transmission cable now, and later, we'll be able to go ahead and actually, you can see you need to push it in, move the cables a little bit up. This thing will come out. Now, right there is, that tooth you need to press in. Let me get a little bit of a better view, because it's almost impossible for me to show you. That tooth needs to be pressed in, and then you just open the clip all the way. And you can disconnect the transmission cable. You can see guys, just like that. So we're going to disconnect the cable from that hose right there. This cable there on the side as well guys. Now we need to pull that clip still that holds that cable there. You can see why I removed the bumper, so we can show you things in a better way. Perfect. Now we have one 10mm bolt that we need to remove on top, and once we remove that bolt guys, we will be able to remove the cables. Okay, let's move the hand later so I can show exactly where it is. Okay, this is the bolt. Now that metal plate will come out. Later we need to install it. Okay, so it's not in the way, guys. You can see it just like that. Now we can put those cables up, and we're going to use a heavy duty zip tie to tie them up so they don't fall. So 8mm socket now, we start removing. Okay, bolts on the open. You can see where ours developed a leak, guys. You can definitely notice that transmission is leaking there a little bit. This one is a little bit hard to get to. Okay, perfect. Now we have a few more. Okay guys, we started dripping oil. Okay, you can see we started dripping oil. Even though we drain it, we'll still have some, okay? No matter how well you drain it, you'll still leak some. So, we're going to go ahead now. We should be able to pull the cover out. Okay, I don't think anything else is in the way right now. Okay, you can see what it looks like. Okay, gently pull it out, guys. Okay, just like that, you can see. Okay guys, this is the gasket now right here. That's what is causing our leak. So, you can see guys, we just pull it out like that. So we get the new gasket now, guys, and we just install it. It goes one way. Installation, everything else is in reverse order that we took it apart, not very complicated. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you that you have a transmission leak. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll try to make a video for that 6T30 and 6T40 transmission, all the torque specs for the oil pan, everything inside. We'll have a video coming soon, so if you need help with that, check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.